Hi everyone. This is going to be an overview on how to do hip circles. So this is a movement. It's kind of for coordinating your lower body, working on your pelvic control and your hip range and a lot of things actually. So you're going to start up nice and tall, nice standing position, abs engaged, getting that little bit of arch to the low back. And then you're going to think about making circles with your pelvis. Right, pushing it back to the side, forwards, to the side, back, right? As big a circles as you can comfortably manage. The knees stay nice and relaxed. Trying to keep weight evenly distributed on your feet. And as much as you can, you want to think about keeping your torso connected to your upper body. Well, at least at first, right? What you can do is, if you get more comfortable, you can be more relaxed with this and just kind of allow the upper body to move freely as you're doing the circle. That requires a little bit more balance, so it's a little better to go at first with a more restricted, where you're thinking about really controlling and keeping yourself anchored to your pelvis before you try the more flowing, loose ones. These are really good for kind of warming up your hips, for warming up your low back, your hamstrings, kind of just, like I said, generally the whole lower body. Really good movement before you do, if you're going to go out and move some things, or you're going to sit for long periods of times, or you're getting up after sitting for long periods of time. It's really good to just kind of throw in regularly some nice gentle hip circles. But the thing is, you really got to make sure that you're not, when you're pushing forwards, just arching the back, right? We're not trying to have this be in a low back movement. You want to focus on the hips. So when you're pushing forwards, you're driving your pelvis forward. So you should feel your glutes fire up a little bit, right? And that's why this one is actually somewhat complicated of a movement. But the more you can get relaxed into it and the more it feels natural, and you're just like relaxed pushing and moving back, the better, because then you're more easily able to coordinate both hinging and extension, which are two very, very important movements of your hips and your low back. So try it out. It's really fun. It's nice and fluid. It's kind of like dancing. So just relax into it. Make sure you're breathing and try to have fun.